Courage and humanity. Maasai warrior saves wild horse from a lion hunt. The African wilderness is a land of intense survival battles, where animals constantly struggle to stay alive. It's a place where the daily confrontations between predators and prey occur. A natural cycle that has long maintained the balance of the ecosystem. But sometimes, human intervention becomes the factor that changes the outcome of these battles. The story of a Maasai warrior saving a wild horse from a lion hunt is not only a testament to bravery but also a profound lesson about the interaction between humans and nature. The vast African plains are a harsh and unforgiving landscape where survival is a daily challenge. Predators like lions, leopards, and hyenas constantly roam the land, searching for their next meal. Prey animals, on the other hand, must always be on high alert, ready to flee at a moment's notice. The balance between predator and prey is crucial for maintaining the health of the ecosystem. Predators help control the population of prey species, preventing overgrazing and ensuring that the grasslands remain fertile and productive. Prey animals, in turn, support predators by providing them with the sustenance they need to survive. However, there are moments when the natural order of things is disrupted by human intervention. In the case of the Maasai warrior and the wild horse, the intervention was not just about saving a life. It was about maintaining the balance of nature in a way that aligns with Maasai cultural values and their deep respect for the natural world. Maasai culture and the courage of warriors. The Maasai people are one of Africa's most renowned ethnic communities, especially in East Africa, primarily residing in Kenya and Tanzania. With a long history and traditions deeply connected to nature, the Maasai have a special relationship with wildlife. For them, lions are not just predatory animals but also symbols of courage and strength. In Maasai tradition, young warriors, known as Morans, must demonstrate their bravery by confronting lions, a rite of passage marking their maturity and becoming true warriors. This tradition, known as Olama, is a deeply respected practice within the Maasai community. While in the past it involved killing a lion to prove one's bravery, modern Maasai warriors are more focused on protecting the ecosystem and living in harmony with nature. The shift from lion hunting to lion conservation is a reflection of the Maasai's evolving relationship with their environment and a recognition of the importance of preserving Africa's wildlife. Maasai warriors do not just protect the community from the encroachment of wild animals, they also act as guardians of order in the natural world. With a deep respect and understanding of animals, they always strive to maintain a balance between protecting their families and ensuring that the natural ecosystem remains undisturbed. This balance is vital to the Maasai way of life, as their livelihoods depend on the health of the land and the animals that inhabit it. This is evident in the actions of the Maasai warrior who bravely intervened in a lion hunt to save a wild horse. Wild horses and the grassland ecosystem. Wild horses play a significant role in the African grassland ecosystem. They are part of the natural food chain, contributing to the balance of the ecosystem by grazing on grass, which in turn helps new plant growth. This grazing behavior prevents the overgrowth of grasses and allows for a more diverse range of plant species to flourish. Wild horses are not only prey for predators like lions and leopards but also possess remarkable survival strength, often relying on their speed and endurance to escape danger. Encounters between wild horses and lions are not uncommon in the African plains. And often, horses manage to escape the lion's grasp thanks to their agility and endurance. Their ability to outrun predators like lions makes them a challenging target, but not an impossible one. Lions, especially when hunting in a group, can overwhelm even the fastest and strongest of prey. However, in this particular confrontation, a wild horse had fallen into the sights of a group of lions. Predators typically target weakened, old, or isolated animals, and in this case, the horse was likely separated from its herd or had wandered too far into lion territory. Lions, with their ability to organize and coordinate hunts, quickly attacked the wild horse, placing it in a dangerous situation. As the lions circled their prey, preparing to launch their final attack, the wild horse was on the brink of death. It was at this critical moment that the Maasai warrior intervened. The battle of lions and leopards, Africa's top predators. Lions are often called the kings of the jungle, not because of their ferocity but due to their organization and overwhelming strength in hunting. Lions are social predators, with prides usually consisting of females that hunt while males defend the territory. The females, known for their agility and strength, work together to bring down large prey, using coordinated strategies that allow them to outmaneuver and overpower their targets. During a hunt, lions rely on their speed and strength to overpower prey. One of their key strategies is ambush, using teamwork to isolate their prey from the safety of the herd. Leopards, while solitary hunters, have other remarkable hunting skills. Known for their stealth and speed, leopards are ambush predators that rely on surprise attacks to catch their prey off guard. With their superior speed and ability to stalk prey from a distance, leopards can launch surprise attacks that leave their prey little chance to react. Unlike lions, leopards are not social animals and prefer to hunt alone, often dragging their kills up into trees to avoid competition from other predators. Both lions and leopards play crucial roles in the African ecosystem. The presence of predators like lions and leopards is crucial for maintaining ecological balance, as they help regulate prey populations and prevent overpopulation that could harm the environment. Without these apex predators, prey species would multiply unchecked, leading to overgrazing and the eventual degradation of the grasslands. The rescue of the wild horse, the Maasai warrior's courage and tough decisions. When the Maasai warrior witnessed the wild horse being attacked, he was faced with a difficult decision. Although the Maasai respect lions, they also have a responsibility to protect other animals and maintain the balance of nature. This responsibility is deeply ingrained in Maasai culture, where the health of the land and its inhabitants is seen as a reflection of the community's well-being. Furthermore, while wild horses are not typically considered Maasai livestock, their compassion and sense of duty toward every living being in the ecosystem drove them to act. The Maasai warrior understood that the death of the wild horse, while part of the natural cycle, was not necessary in this instance, as the lions had already had their fill and were hunting for sport rather than survival. The Maasai warrior used his experience and knowledge of dealing with lions to rescue the horse. Armed with traditional weapons like spears and bows, he bravely confronted the lions, driving them away from the area and allowing the horse to escape unharmed. This act was not only an example of courage but also demonstrated deep respect for life and natural balance. The warrior's actions were guided by a profound understanding of the delicate relationship between predator and prey, and the importance of preserving both for the greater good of the ecosystem. The significance of this event in the context of wildlife conservation. The act of Maasai warriors saving a wild horse from a lion hunt is not just an isolated event. It reflects a profound principle in their culture, the respect and protection of all animal life. In the context of the modern world, where wildlife is facing population decline due to illegal hunting, poaching, and habitat loss, actions like those of the Maasai warrior serve as a valuable inspiration for conservation programs. The Maasai community has long been involved in efforts to protect wildlife, working alongside international conservation organizations to preserve Africa's rich biodiversity. Through their deep understanding of the natural environment, the Maasai have contributed to the preservation of Africa's biodiversity, helping maintain a rich and stable ecosystem. The Maasai's role in conservation is particularly important in regions where human-wildlife conflict is common, as their knowledge and traditions offer valuable insights into how humans can coexist with wildlife. In recent years, the Maasai have partnered with conservation organizations to create wildlife corridors, protect endangered species like lions and leopards, and educate younger generations about the importance of biodiversity. These efforts have not only helped preserve Africa's wildlife but have also strengthened the Maasai's cultural identity, which is closely tied to the land and its animals. Conclusion: bravery and responsibility toward nature. The story of the Maasai warrior saving a wild horse from a lion hunt is a testament to courage, humanity, and responsibility toward nature. In Africa's harsh wilderness, where life and death are always close, their action serves as a valuable lesson about compassion and care. The Maasai warrior's bravery, guided by a deep respect for all life, highlights the importance of protecting the natural world and the creatures that inhabit it. not only for the Maasai community but for all of humanity. Protecting and preserving nature is a shared responsibility. Ecological balance is the foundation for our existence on this planet. And the actions of individuals like the Maasai warrior remind us of the profound impact that one person can have in maintaining that balance. By learning from the Maasai's example, we can all play a role in ensuring that future generations inherit a world rich in biodiversity and natural beauty.